guys, ano muna tayo, classic. Thank you so much sa mga support niyo. A woman I can hardly express my mixed emotions at my thoughtlessness. After all, I'm forever in your debt. And woman, I will try to express my inner feeling and thankfulness for showing me the meaning of success. Oh, well, well. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Woman, I know you understand the little child inside of the man. Please remember my life is in your hand. And woman, hold me close to your heart. Forever distant, don't keep us apart. After all, it's written in the stars. Ooh, well, well. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Well, woman, please let me explain. I never meant to cause you sorrow or pain. So let me tell you again and again and again. I love you. Now and forever, I love you, yeah, yeah. Now and forever, I love you, yeah, yeah. Now and forever, I love you, yeah, yeah. Now and forever.